Let's learn the names of animals in the forest. Deer. Let's say it together. Deer. Bear. Say it with me. Bear. Giraffe. Let's say it together. Giraffe. Monkey. Now say them with me again. Monkey. Tiger. Say it with me. Tiger. Lion. Let's say it together. Lion. Fox. Now say them with me again. Fox. Let's learn the names of animals in the forest. Let's review what we've learned. What is about this? Monkey. And this? Giraffe. And this? Bear. What is about this? Deer. What is about this? Tiger. Great job. And this? Lion. And this? Fox. Great job! You've learned the names of forest animals. See you next time.